My name is Maya. This is your very first time here. Go ahead, make sure you hit that button below before you leave so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. I see you, girlfriend, who always come and watch my videos but don't ever press the button below. I see you. Make sure you hit that button before you leave, please. Alright. So today I am going to be reviewing the new DESI x KATY Dose of Colors collection. Super excited for this. Way too excited. Way too excited. I missed round one of this. This is round two, but for round one they did come out with a whole collection, and all I remember is how cute the packaging was. So this is the box that it came in, really pretty rose gold packaging. You open it up, this is the same packaging from the first launch. Gorgeous, glam, poppin', all that good stuff. You open it up, you get 10 very beautiful shades that range from matte colors to shimmer colors to pressed glitter colors. Here are the swatches. Some of you guys care about swatches, some of you guys don't, but I do make sure that I do them for you so that you can really see what's popping. I did try to do one swipe per color so you really can see the color pay off with this palette. And this palette does come with Amirah, which is always a plus. Alright? Don't shoot me, but I did only purchase the palettes. I was unable to get the entire collection. If you guys do want to see how I got this eye look and all the other products that I use, I did do a full face tutorial for you guys. So if you want to hang out with your girl a little bit, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. Alright, I'm really excited about this launch. I was just way more excited than I should have been. But yeah, I've kind of been trying to think about all day what kind of look I was going to do. But one thing I am sure of is that I'm going brown in the crease. So the first color I'm going to go into is Just a Kiss, and I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease. And then right on top of that, I'm going to go into Dirty Money, and I'm going to put that right into the corner of my crease. So I'm not going to bring it all the way in, but I'm going to bring it in just enough so we got that deepness, you know, in the crease. So something about Dirty Money is just like amazing. The consistency of these matte shades are like, they're like blending so pretty. Like I already know that this makeup look is finna be bomb. Like I already know it. I already know. So with this look, I am gonna do somewhat of a cut crease. So I am gonna go ahead and use my Colourpop concealer, and this is in dark 46 on my lid, and go ahead and cut the crease. So I am gonna bring my cut crease almost all the way to the end of the lid. All right, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did bring my lid like more in towards my nose just to like extend it, because I need like more space for the shadow, because we about to do probably a lot with this. So yeah, I am gonna take a small brush with no product on it just to blur out that inner part of the lid, because I don't want it to be super duper cut. And to create more of a hooded look over that blurred part, I am going to take this angle brush and dip it into Dirty Money and just kind of bring that line over above that lid area just to create a subtle shadow over that. And I'm dipping it. We're not smudging it in there, we're not circling it around, we're dipping it, and that's it. And we're making a subtle shadow above that blurred lid. On my lid, I am gonna go ahead and go into the color. How crazy do we want to go today? Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Cheens. I'm gonna start on the outer side of my lid and kind of bring that in, and let's just see where I want to go from there. Okay, so I like Cheens, but I do want to go ahead and taper that out and go into Churro on the inner part of my lid, and let's just see how that blends together. Now, I'm feeling this lid. I like it. So I am going to go ahead and line my eye with my Pretty Vulgar gel liner, and I do want to do kind of a dramatic wing today, so we're going to bring it all the way out. We're going to do a dramatic Nicki Minaj wing on this, and then I'm going to put on my mascara to prep my lashes for my falsies, and then I'll go ahead and put on my lashes. So for primer today, I am going to use the Becca Backlight priming filter. This has been like my #1 primer recently because I love the glow that it gives me. Like it looks like I'm glowing from within behind my foundation, and I'm loving it. So I do have to be careful with the glow products underneath my foundation because I am so oily. So I do still, even when I use this, I do make sure that I go in with my translucent setting powder, which is Mercier in medium deep. And I pretty much set my primer in the areas that I get super duper oily and shiny, because ain't nobody got time for that. And for foundation today, I am going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way, and this is in Spiced Rum. If you have been watching my channel, you know that this is like my favorite foundation. right now. And I usually just take 2 pumps and I just spread it out all over. Then I'll either take my beauty blender or this blending brush. And this one is from e.l.f. and I'll just blend it in. And I just love how this foundation really does kind of feel like skin. It doesn't feel super like heavy. Oh, come on, wig. Get out the way. So yeah, that's why I use it so much. And it's like my favorite one that I feel like looks exactly like my complexion. Like look at my neck and look at my face. Right here is looking a little light, that's fine. But my body, if you look, see my shoulder, it is lighter than my face. So that's the reason why I do go for this color, because you don't want to match it to your face. You want to match it to your body, so it's all the same color. Look at me talking. I ain't never gonna get done. This is gonna be the longest video if I keep talking like this, so we're gonna speed this up. For highlight, I'm gonna use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in Dark 46. And then to contour, I am gonna use my Fenty Beauty Match Stick, which is in Espresso. I'm looking all types of crazy right now. It's like my favorite part when you get to blend all this in and you just see the magic happen. Best thing. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend all this in with my beauty blender. And I don't know if you guys have tried this concealer. Well, let me just say, for barely no money, you definitely get the quality of like a higher end concealer. And I feel like that's always great when you get to save a couple of them coins, you know, slide in your purse, you can buy another makeup palette, you know. And when I do a cream contour, I do like to blend it upwards on my cheeks so that it can look as high as possible. So when I contour my nose, I am just gonna bring this color down and I'm gonna blend it into like my brows. It's all gonna come together in a moment. It's all gonna come together. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer with my Mercier translucent powder. All right, so for the rest of my face, I am gonna make sure that I set it with my Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, because I get smile lines that get pretty nuts. So I need to make sure this is set or it's gonna be looking a hot mess. Like a hot mess. And then I'm gonna go ahead with bronzer. The bronzer that I've been using lately is my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. And I'm just gonna dust this over my contour. So for my under eye, I am gonna go into Dirty Money. And I'm just gonna pretty much bring that all the way across the lower lash line. Now I thought about going a little blue underneath, but I don't know. What do y'all think? You know what? Whatever. We're gonna do a neutral lip anyway. So I'm gonna spray that brush and I'm gonna go ahead into basic and I'm gonna put that right on the edge of the eye. Oh yeah, that's super cute. I'm gonna go ahead in with my gel liner. We're gonna go ahead and tight line it because we want the eyes to stay open. And then I'm gonna put on my mascara at the bottom as well, but not too heavy because I do want to still be able to see basic. So as I'm putting on this mascara, I do notice that basic is kind of like a iridescent type of blue because it's looking low-key purple right now as I'm doing this in the mirror, and that's super cute. Like, that's dope. So I did not get any other products from the collection. I'm sorry, I didn't. But for highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite highlight, which is Pose from the ShaylaxColourpop collection. Go ahead and highlight my face up. And there's like nothing more satisfying than like a dope highlighter. Like, I know I use this almost every tutorial, but look at this, like, oh. So for lips today, I am gonna keep it pretty neutral. I'm gonna go ahead in with the Dose of Colors lip gloss, which is in Brillo. And this is from the I Love Side-Eye by Dose of Colors collection. And we're gonna keep this pretty neutral today. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And I'm gonna throw me on some earrings. Oh! I'm gonna go ahead and throw me on some earrings. Let's just make this a little extra, you know. Y'all know how I like to get. If we're gonna do it, let's do it right. And we're done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am feeling it. My final thoughts on the palette. In general, matte colors blend like magic. It's always really dope, especially when you get matte colors in a palette that are like super duper usable. Like the brown colors in this palette I can really like use on like a daily basis, and I am in love with that. You can do a more neutral look with this as well as a more poppin' look. Today I did more of a poppin' look, but I feel like next time, because I do like to do multiple looks on a palette, so I will be coming out with a neutral look with this palette as well. I love the color combinations. I love the spread of color and diversity in this. It's got an A+ from me. All right. If you guys like this tutorial and you like this review, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below. If you have not yet, girl, I see you. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye. Hey, babes. Today, I am going to be reviewing the new Dose of Colors Date. And then towards the inner part, oh Lord. This is the packaging that it comes. So this is a palette. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Urban Decay All-Nighter. So today, I am going to be reviewing. What?
Do you want to know how many videos you have?
You counted them?
Yes.
How many?
53 or 54.
Whoa, that's a lot, girl.